Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate the Finances plugin and module of the RedmineUP. Okay, so currently we are into a project, so the first thing you have to do is to just click on the settings here, settings of this project, and scroll down to the very bottom, and here it is, the Finances. So I'm going to just open one more tab so you could directly see what are going to be the changes. Um, so I click and enable the finances module here and save the changes. Okay, so if I refresh now with the new changes, you will see that here on the project tabs, a finances will appear here, and also finances will come into the configuration and settings of this project. Okay, so let's click on Control and R and refresh the page to see what will happen. Okay, so here it is. We got the finances. So when we click now, we see we have finance operations here available, the list of the operations. Uh, and when I click on settings, I see that I move the arrow to the right and I see the finances configuration in the project itself. So I can now add new accounts, delete accounts, um, manage the operations, and so on. About these things, there are a lot of information on our site, that is redmineup.com. So you have to just go and check the um, finances page, and you will see all the things that you need. So the thing is that this video was about showing you how to just activate the finances and just start using the plugin afterward. So it is now activated and ready for you to use it. This is it. And one more thing that I want to show you and just tell you is that before uh, uh, activating the finance, you need to install and activate the contacts as well, because the contacts plugin is required for the finances to be able to work. They are connected, they work only together. Um, so the light free version of the contacts is enough for this purpose. So you could go again to our site and go to plugins and then CRM. CRM and contacts is absolutely the same thing. Okay, so click download and here it is. Light free version. You click on download. Just enter your email address here and get the link, agree with the terms, and you will get the link of the contacts so you can proceed further with installation and activating the contacts before activating the finances. So this is it, as simple as that. So I would like to thank you for the patience of watching this video, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP on our YouTube channel, and you could subscribe, you could share, like, comment, and everything else. And if you have some questions or problems, or just want to say hello to our team, please do it on support@redmineup.com, and our support engineers will answer you uh, with all the points that you have in your mind. Okay, so thanks again for the patience of watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.